Hello everyone and namaste. So the question was about weight loss. So this person totally believes in affirmation and she just wanted to know that is she doing the affirmation correctly for weight loss. So anything extra, weight is something extra on your body. It could be anywhere on the body. So it can be belly or thighs or whatever. So whatever extra thing is there in your body is basically for protection. Okay, so if you feel you're already safe and secured and it is safe to be yourself, you don't need extra protection. So what happens when people go for weight loss program, and I don't undermean anybody, I mean anything, all of them are wonderful, but unless you don't do your mind work, because you're not working on your mindset, right? So if you're doing along with all external things, you're setting right your mind, it will have a miraculous results. So you can affirm. So those who want to note it down can note it down for yourself or your friends or people who are struggling to lose weight. It's important, and believe me, it works like magic. Imagine just keep chanting and the weight is just shedding. So basically, as I told you, it's about protection, or it's about feeling safe in your own body. So your skin does not have to develop extra fats to cover you up, okay? So you can affirm, it is safe to be me. Okay, I repeat, it is safe to be me. I'm well protected in all areas of my life. I'm well protected in all areas of my life. I'm safe and secure. That's my favorite one, even during the corona times or economic downfall. I always keep affirming. So I'm safe and secure. So people are saying staying at home, we are putting on weight, and full day there's no other work, we're eating. But it's about eating and all, maybe one of the physical reason, but inside just check your state. Are you feeling insecure about the current scenario? Are you really worried about what will happen and how will I manage? And there's so much insecurity, and that insecurity the body cannot handle, and which is putting on that weight. There are some people who are at home and eating, doing whatever, because physical exercise, at least I am not doing much. So, but I don't think so I'm gaining weight, because I'm well protected by my divine always. So you can affirm this. I'm well protected all the time. I'm well protected all the time. And my favorite, and Louise's favorite, and it's a signature affirmation. It says, I love and approve of myself. You don't need approval of anybody else. You don't need to prove yourself to anybody else, okay? So I love and approve of myself completely, okay? So all these things what I just mentioned are about your weight, and you keep on chanting, as I told you last time, but you keep repeating it on and on, okay? So with your chanting mala or digital things are available for counters. So at least, I mean, if I say 1,000, don't be anxious about it. It's very, very doable. So you can do 100 times for a set of 10, or maybe morning, evening, afternoon. After every meal you can do. Just fix up like a goli, you have the medicine. So just do it, and I mean, it's easy, right? I mean, I love affirmation because I feel they don't need extra time, and they make you feel good because you're talking only good things, which we generally don't. So affirmations put you into feel good mode as well. So in general, people are struggling to increase their income. Financial botheration is there a lot, and it's not only with individual person, it's all over the world. So believe or trust that everybody is in the same boat, and that releases your burden. Like, you are not thinking everybody else is making money and I'm just dying of making nothing. I know, when we used to get results, so when all the students used to get less mark, they used to feel, okay, paper is tough, so it's not my fault. But in some case, when everybody is getting good marks and you are not getting good marks, you feel tensed up because I'm the only one not doing it. So when you know it's along with everybody, it's like everybody is going through the same thing, it relaxes. So chill. It is, the economic downfall is there, and believe me, it won't remain forever. There's a cycle which goes up and down every some years. Only thing what will keep you go on is your courage and your trust that this shall too pass away, and I'm going to make it. Okay. So for financial abundance, you may write the affirmation: I always have enough money as much as I need. I think last time also I shared about your debts to clear the bill. So this one is again important, and I mean it works. So I always have enough money as much as I need. So your needs will always be taken care of. You don't have to worry about how will I manage my family or basic things and all that. And you can always also affirm. This is again we say is constant affirmation when we talk about prosperity consciousness. So my income is constantly increasing. Okay, so my income is constantly increasing. So mostly people ask the question, honey, like I have no sources, how will the income increase? So from where will it come? I have a fixed income. So fixed income is limitation in your mind. Universe is not limited. When you keep affirming this, my income is constantly increasing, suddenly your mind will find the ways to do more things, or ideas will come, and then you will be surprised. And if you acknowledge the affirmation, then you will be knowing that because you're affirming my income is constantly increasing, my income is constantly increasing, ideas will pop up and everything, universe will connect the dots. You will find the right source to get the things done, right source to market your thing, right source to just start anything. So have faith and keep saying my income is constantly increasing, and you will say I have more than enough money to fulfill all my needs and desires. Alright, so I think that's about your income. There was one more about taking off this glasses. Like as I discussed, I used to wear glasses right from my 9th standard, and when people start wearing, I start losing the number. So I used to affirm it is safe to look within. Okay, so what happens, why I'm explaining, because that will make sense to you. It's not only any word we are giving. So normally we have lots of shades inside. So we have we are beautiful by soul anyways. All of us are divine creation, but we have some layers of, I call 50 shades of grey. We all have. We are not a black and white thing, either black or white. We all have some shades of grey. And the thing is that our society or parents or teachers in the school have restricted us not to be. You should not be like this. And then we do not want to see it. And then this eyes as the protective covering, when you say you don't want to see it. I don't want to see my ugly part. I don't want to see this subconsciously. So it creates that number, okay? So when you say it is safe to see me, or it is safe to look inside, that's one affirmation. I can be myself. I can be myself, and I can see clearly now. Okay, I can see clearly now. And one more, you can see I love and accept all shades of mine. Okay, so this is, I do it, this, I love this a lot, because whether I'm jealous or angry, or I make mistakes, or I create something, so I still keep going. I just go to the mirror and I say, I still love you, honey. So you can affirm, I love and accept with all shades of myself. So you don't have to be only when I'm good I love myself, only when I've become better I love myself, only when I do this, that, this, and that I love myself. So what happens to your eyes? The eyes don't want to see the ugly part of you, but you are lovable in all shades. I love grays, So, and it's beautiful to be in different shades. And in one of my sessions I said, moon is a moon, whether it's complete full or a Amavasya ka no moon or any shape. It is a moon, and it is as beautiful, and you are as beautiful as you are, with all your limitations and fears and insecurities. So you see, I love myself with all my shades, something like that. Add those shades and keep loving, and then you'll see your number will keep on reducing and know that it's going. So after every 2-3 months, go for eye test and just check your number would have been gone for sure. Okay. So there was one more question, that there was a, I don't know this personally, but so she is wanting to establish her career in the industry, and she's unable to do so. So for anything about her career, first of all, know that that's your passion and you love to do it. Okay, so you say she's into acting. Okay, so you keep saying I love acting. Okay, I love to be in film industry. I just put a lot of love. You know, when you come from the space of love, the things happen. Okay, and if you really love, okay, so if you don't love and you're creating, so just find out your reality. Is it what you really want? And make a list of positive reasons why do you want that. Okay, it's for everybody now. So if you think you want something, okay, so for this person, she wants success in industry, so you can write positive reasons why I want this success in industry. So you I do this in Hour of Power class, so I make them write that why do I want, what do I want. Example, if I want to be successful actress, okay, so write down, sit down and be with yourself and write with a lot of positive reasons. And in the sense, so you will not write from the space because I want to be famous and I'm not famous now, because I want to show the world even I can. Don't come from the space of comparison or showing off to world, or just being less, and then that's why you want to show. Come with a positive aspect. For example, just imagine yourself while writing. Imagine yourself, you are a newborn baby, just born into this world, and you have a magic wand in your hand, and God is told, go with this magic wand and you can do whatever you want. So you're coming, oh, I want to be an actress, okay? So I love to act in the films. I love the feeling of glamorous world. I love the feeling of to be known and seen on the screen and people loving and appreciating me. So if you're doing all these things, you know, when your why is stronger, universe will take care of your how. This is very, 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 very powerful. So everybody can note it down. This is awesome. So when your why is stronger for anything you want, your how will be taken care by the universe. You don't have to. And again, universe will support only the positive reasons. But if you're coming from the space of negativity or proving yourself or getting approval from others or some jealousy, comparison, inferiority complex or something, sorry to say, it doesn't work that way. Even if it comes, it goes away and it won't give you sense of joy and fulfillment. So whatever you want, okay, and we all need so many things in life, and it's fine because we're humans and we need to live fully. So what you're going to do as an exercise today, you're going to write your desires, okay? You can write 5 desires, 10 desires, 20 desires, 1 desire, anything. You write down that list, and for select you 3 of them, because that'll be too much for 20, 100 and all. Select 3 major ones, and for each 3 major one, write positive reasons why you want it. Okay? So you start the sentences, because I love the feeling of. Okay? Suppose you want money. Why do you want money? Because I love the feeling of having abundance in my life. Because I love the feeling of doing what I want and buying what I want, you know. So all that kind of things you're going to do it, and we do a lot every day. Every day we brainwash, we prime the brain and do this work in hour of our session. So this is very, very important. So you're more clear. So when students write, okay, I want this, and then I don't that much love. So this is not my deep down desire. So I can shift the desire. Of course, you can change the desire. So know what is your desire and come from this place of love, and then affirm it. I believe I've told you what affirmations are and how to create. I repeat again, your affirmation will be always in positive present tense. Okay, they will be in present tense. They will be having lots of love and joy and lots of superlatives, you know, the adjectives. So if you're short of words, just go to the dictionary, and of course physically online, just go search. If you want the word in Hindi is there but you don't know in English, just type it on this in English, find words there and add those words. That will add lots of value, and that will add lots of power to your affirmation. So what else was there? Okay, anybody else? Hello ma'am. Do we have any questions now? I think I answered all of them. So about the actress, so if you come from the space of love, you can say I love the feeling of being on screen and known and all those things, and I'm getting better and better at my acting. I'm getting infinite proposals, and you can visualize yourself winning a Filmfare award, people appreciating you, and you're getting so many signs up for the movies. You're just imagine that movie, and you being an actress, you can, I think, visualize more. So you are there on the stage and somebody's giving you a award or something. So you can create your visualization that way. So when the affirmations are connected with visualization, they work very, very fast. Again, know it for truth from your heart. What is it you want and why do you want it? Okay, when your why is clear. Okay, that's a whole essence of today's session. I feel it is up here. So when your why is clear, everybody who's watching me now or live or whenever, just note what you want. The universe wants to give you everything. Everything wants to give you. Only thing when you are having a positive reasons why. Okay. So find out. So if you just filter, just find out what is it your inner calling, and then do affirmation and put lots of love, joy, energy, so that it manifests faster. Okay. I mean, everybody is really shocked about his death, and people are blaming the industry or something. They're just trying to find the reason. Believe or understand that blaming anybody or going against anything will not help to create a beautiful things. So no, we can have a war against this, war against nepotism and all those things, but going against anything doesn't help. Going for it will help. Okay. So it's a message to all the people. I thought it's only for children, but it's about everybody who is listening to this. Okay, I am repeating this in all my sessions. I just had to create a video, and that was the only thing came out. So if you are listening to me, just understand all situations, all problems, all the worries, all the tension don't remain forever. Okay, nothing remains forever. So if you're going through something, if you can face it, do it by all means. If you cannot, just come out of that thing. Just be courageous enough to remove yourself from it and find another path. So with respect to this, I mean, it really feels hurt to see that young talented boy was such a talented, such hardworking and such focused guy, and he couldn't make it in the industry for whatever reason. People are blaming other directors and all that thing. They may not be the part. We don't know. Whatever media shows, we believe that. But I believe like, if you cannot manage in certain situation or surrounding, either you become like that, be diplomatic, and it's a saying that pani mein reh ke magarmachh se wair nahi karte. I hope you understand. So you cannot be against the crocodiles if you're in the water. So one thing, you learn to be with the crocodiles. Second thing, if you cannot, if it's against your principles, if it's against your values, please come out of it. Create your own world of your like-minded people. People are there who are like you, who love your principles, who love your values, who can live. You can create your own world. So you need not be into the world which is not making you feel comfortable. If you cannot change for them, if you feel no, this is not me, I cannot change for them, and then you are left out or abandoned, and then you worry ki now I am abandoned and I don't have anything to live for. That is not the only one thing in life we have. Life is mysterious. It has so many shades. It has so many things. So if one thing doesn't work, try another. If other doesn't work, try another. It's not that this is the end of life. So if you think if you're not successful in something and people are creating politics or they are not appreciating what you're doing, whether it's in your family, it's in your career, in your office or wherever. So to understand how people are, be happy yourself first, do what makes you happy, and give a bit of them what they want. Just be part of them if you want to be with them, okay? But if you think this is totally different, I cannot, then be strong enough to leave it. But don't leave your life. I mean, this is really sad. There are always options, okay? So you need to be with people who are very optimistic, who can see a silver line in all the black clouds. And be with those people, associate with that people. That is so important. Don't be with people who are worried that there's a competition, there's a comparison, it's difficult. It might be true, I'm not saying, but don't give energy to it. Give energy to your hopes, your beliefs. And if you can't do it alone, make friends with them. There are community, there are support system. We have a Love Yourself group. Do affirmation. If you have any question, put up in the group. Take help. Don't hesitate. Don't shy away from taking help. And don't think you can't manage alone. There are people ready to help if you are willing to ask. So there are so many support groups and all, and I believe our group is Love and Accept Yourself will really help. Myself included, and people, you put a question, I'm going through this, I need some help, put up on the group. And we'll be there to help any of you, your friends. So, I believe people have lost trust in talking to each other and sharing their problem because people are making fun of others. It's not there. We have community of good people who really love and accept others, who are going through the same thing. So be with them. Take support. That's important. So when I talk about Love Yourself series, there was one of the title which I mentioned. Take support. That's important. Sometimes we can't manage alone. We require, because once we are there in the problem, you can see only the problems, at that particular moment of time. But you see from bird's eye view. So the person who's not into the problem, when he sees, okay, I understand this is a problem, but you can do this way, which does not even click you. Getting it? So take help, ask people, be with people, but don't give up your life. No ways. You just can't do it. Just can't do it. I mean, there's so much. The life is a gift. You just can't give up. Okay? No matter whether you've achieved, whether you're successful, failure, whether you're fat, short, dark, not earning money, not having good relationships or whatever. But you can always create a new life with the new thoughts. You can always create your new life with your new way of thinking and believing about yourself. So that's only a skill to learn, and we can always learn when we choose to. So please understand this, okay? So that's a message from me. I mean, I want to be of help, especially after this this suicidal case, and I know people are going through a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear. So they need help, and all around you are people who are putting us down, who are scaring us more. So we require a rubbing of positive people. We require that there is hope even now, even though the world is going through so much of crisis. It is a crisis, okay? And people are suffering. There is a problem, no doubt about it. But you can't give away, no? You can't stop being happy. You can't stop smiling. You can't stop creating a new life now. Okay, you have enough time. Let's polish our brain. Let's work on our thoughts and feelings. Right? This is the perfect time. So those who are doing this, they are managing the calamities with so much calm and peace, and we all can do it. It's just a matter of polishing your skills. The way we learn any skill by practice. Being positive, staying calm, loving yourself is a skill we all can learn, and we all must learn. I really believe that this could be a subject which is taught in the school compulsorily, right from the pre-primary level, so that children don't fall into trap of all this thing what they're doing now. Success is important, but not more than your life, not more than your happiness, because we know that whatever we want is because that will lead to your happiness. So don't wait for happiness to get what you want. Be happy now. So we can have an affirmation, I'm happy now. So every moment you are happy. So you can say that. Rushi ma'am, someone was facing financial issue from long time, like many years. Shall you use the same affirmation you gave today? So I always, you can. So you can, this is very powerful, Ruchi. My income is constantly increasing. Okay. And one thing which is important, I just wanted to share this with everybody. There's some Japanese word, if you have seen online, or you can Google it, okay. So it's from Mind Valley. Some Japanese trainer had come, and he's talking about arigato money. Okay. Arigato is a Japanese name for appreciation. So this is very powerful, okay. And I've been using it, and I can see the flow of money happening in my life, okay. What you're going to do? Everybody facing the money problem or not facing money problem, if you have enough money already, even then you're going to do it. And if you want to start having money, you're going to do this. This is super powerful. Sorry. So what you're going to do is, whenever you receive money, okay, for whatever thing, or whenever you're just It happens in my house. I don't know about yours. So whenever you're cleaning something, some coins are scattered here, or some money is in my purse, or some money in my drawer. So whenever you see money, whether it's 1 rupee coin or 1,000 rupees, 5,000 or whatever, whenever you see money, money is energy. It's not about denomination, not about the amount. It's about money as an energy. Whenever you look at money, whenever you receive money, you want to take your right hand, put it on your heart, okay, and say arigato money. If you want, I can write it down that thing. You say arigato money, and you will say in your mind or your heart, I love you money, I appreciate you money for coming into my life. Okay, so expressing a lot of love and appreciation and gratitude. So I repeat, whenever you receive money, whether online you receive or offline you receive or something, or somebody just giving you anyhow, any form of money, okay, so you're going to say arigato money, and inside you want to feel, I thank you money, I love you money, I appreciate your presence in my life. Okay, I appreciate your presence in my life. Second part of this exercise, when you give out money, when you pay bills, when you buy vegetables or food, when you buy grocery, or when you pay your debts, or anyhow, when you pay light bill, anything, online, offline, same, okay? So you'll say, arigato money, I appreciate the presence of money to pay this bill. I appreciate the presence of money to pay this bill. I appreciate the presence of money to be able to buy this stuff, whatever you're buying or paying the bill. Okay? So every time you do it, within a day or two, you will see some change in your money energy, because now you're appreciating. You're not coming from the lack. You're coming that I have some money at least to buy daily bread and butter if I'm going through financial crisis stages. But I'm not dying hungry. I have money to buy food. I'm not on the footpath. I'm having maybe a rented house, maybe some paying guests or something. I have some roof to live on. So you're going to appreciate all the money you're paying for a rent or anything. And when you do this, slowly the blocks of money will go. So we have a very powerful course what we do about wealth consciousness. We talk about all these things, and when we dig deeper to release all the blocks. Okay, I hope it helps, Ruchi. And please tell your brother, or please tell, everybody must do this, I feel. It is not about where you are, whether you have enough or whether you don't have enough. It's always loving and appreciating the energy. It's a Lakshmi. Okay, Abhijit, this thing I'm not feeling fresh, so you can feel fresh by doing the activities you feel fresh. Okay, first accept yourself for not feeling fresh. And it's okay not to feel fresh, okay? So you're going to do something about yourself, so what you like to do. So it could be listening to music and just chill out and dance or something. Or you can have a fresh tea or something. Or if you can just go out. I mean, of course, going out is not allowed. How much ever in compound, or just take a fresh air. And keep affirming, I'm feeling fresh. And believe me, it's okay not to feel fresh once in a while. So don't deny yourself. Just accept the way you are. And then the thing will go away. It's not about you always want to feel fresh. You always want to feel happy. So I am not feeling too good now. But okay, I accept it. Now tell me, what do I do? So once you acknowledge what's happening, and then switch over to something what you want by doing affirmation, or doing your activities which will make you feel fresh and happy. I hope I answered, Abhijit. You can have your goal to remain happy all the time. Instead of having goal of having $1 million, or you can have all those stuff, but ultimately we seek happiness. We know that all these things, a good relationship, a good career, a good house or a car or that much bank balance, when it is there, ultimately, just imagine after getting all this thing, it will lead to happiness. That's all we want. Otherwise, why would we want? So don't wait. Be happy now. So all of you, put it in the chat box and say, I am happy now. Or if you're not, just say, I choose to be happy now. So choose it. Happiness is your choice. It is your choice. Okay. So everybody put up in the group and say, I choose happiness now. I choose to be happy now. That's more correct. Okay. And all those who are watching me after the live session, wherever in whichever group, I want everybody to type it down. I choose to be happy now. Okay. So can I see that in the chat box? I choose to be happy now. I choose to be happy now. Oh, I love to read that. When you read it again and then it becomes more powerful. Okay, one more important announcement for everybody in the group, Love and Accept Yourself. I put an affirmation of a day. So I have the groups in a WhatsApp group. So same we have come to the Facebook so that we have large number of people together. So you can write in the comment box the same affirmation. Okay. So affirmation of the day, you're going to read it, type it. Please don't copy paste. I don't know whether you can copy paste. So you're not going to copy paste, you're going to read it, type it, and read everybody who has typed already. So your affirmation of a day are getting done, repeated in your mind already. So you don't have to work extra with your mala and all. So that will be easy and doable, and that would create a good result because I have 4 affirmation groups. Many people in my private chat keep telling me ki your morning affirmation, when we read the group, there are 50 or 80 or 100 of them, and then it makes a difference in our life. It has made a difference. It will in your life when you keep repeating, when you keep repeatedly reading it. So I will request everybody to type an affirmation in the chat box below the affirmation when I send. Okay. So now we'll have a small treatment or a meditation wherever you are, how much ever possible. So you're going to close your eyes. So don't worry, it's not a long meditation. Those people who are scared of the name of meditation and you're like, I don't want to sit and do it. It's just for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and you're going to enjoy and feel calmer, okay? So close your eyes. Sit comfortably wherever you are. So doesn't matter wherever you are, okay? But sit, that's important. Okay, take a deep breath in. Out with a smile on your face. In. Out with a smile on your face. Love. One more time. Deep breath in. And out with a smile on your face. Beautiful. So with your eyes closed, you're going to repeat and visualize yourself with the words I'm saying. So I choose to think differently. I choose to be happy now. I choose to create thoughts that nourish me. I choose to spread positivity around me. I choose to love and accept myself completely in all my shades. I choose to create a new life for me. I am abundant, living in this abundant world. I am healthy. I'm calm. I'm peaceful. I'm loving and lovable. I'm courageous. I'm resilient. I'm learning a new way of life now. I feel great to start my inner journey. I feel hopeful. I trust everything I need and desire comes to me with ease, joy, and comfort. Life is for me. I love life and life loves me back. All is well in my world. All is well in my world. All is really, really, really well in my world. And so be it. Take a deep breath in. And slowly out with a smile again. In and out with a smile. Beautiful. One last breath in and out with a smile. Open your eyes. Tell me how you feel. And this is called smile meditation. You just smile after every breath, and that relaxes you a lot. Okay, and so, and the once the time, if you're relaxed and if you're comfortable with yourself, things work better. Okay. So keep doing this, keep smiling, keep loving it, keep loving yourself, and stay connected. So if you have any questions, post on the group or DM me on the messenger or WhatsApp if you're my member. So if you want to go through, those who have not seen it fully, please go through the whole thing. This is very, very powerful, and you will love it. This is very valuable. Okay. So how was your meditation experience? Just share it in a chat box so I know whether you could do it or could not do it. And if you could not do it, please see the recording and do it. Okay. It's not a very big thing, but it makes a big difference. So I will take a leave and say you goodbye. Love you all. Stay blessed, stay happy, and God bless you. Namaste. Take care.